So we've been cooking for a little bit longer than expected. And I've just trickled some isopropyl alcohol around the top here, which I'll just do again, which usually softens the adhesive, but I've got to be careful not to use too much that it goes into the LCD, as it will produce various spots on the screen. I'm just doing this as a sample with my thin pry tool to see if I can get this screen to start lifting. That was the screen protector. Screen protector again. Because if I can't get the screen to start lifting, then there's no point proceeding any further at all with this repair. And that's looking very unlikely. Hold that out of the way. Okay. I can't tell if I'm making any progress at all there. No, getting nowhere at all there. So due to the design of it, this one is not very repair friendly at all. I may be mistaken the back edge to come out, but from what I'm seeing, for such a sealed phone, they've also made it a very unrepairable phone, which is quite disappointing, as there would be ways to make it sealed without actually fully having to do that. On here also there's a little microphone attached to the back of this metal. It is just rattling there. So sadly, this particular one, I won't be able to go ahead and do the loudspeaker on it. Essentially, if you were doing the display, or you bought the display, you could probably get in there for a lot more force, but I'm not willing to go that extra step on this particular one, being it is being rather stubborn and does not want to leave. Anyway, slightly disappointing for the Blackview, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.